Your body is constantly renewing itself. Every second, countless cells reach the end of their life while new ones prepare to take their place. Like every living thing, individual cells have a lifespan. As some cells become old or damaged, your body carefully prepares to remove them. Inside these aging cells, complex signals help coordinate the next step, telling the body that this cell is ready to be replaced. Instead of simply bursting apart, many aging cells are safely dismantled through a controlled process called programmed cell death. Specialized immune cells then recognize the cellular remnants, engulf them, and help clear the tissue without causing unnecessary damage. Once the old cell is removed, the surrounding tissue must maintain its structure. That's where replacement cells become essential. Depending on the tissue, stem cells or progenitor cells can produce new cells that help maintain and repair the body. Before dividing, the cell carefully copies its DNA, ensuring each future daughter cell receives the genetic instructions it needs. Those duplicated DNA molecules organize into chromosomes, preparing the cell for one of biology's most remarkable processes, cell division. During mitosis, the chromosomes are carefully separated so the genetic information can be distributed between two developing cells. Then the cell membrane constricts, dividing one parent cell into two daughter cells, each receiving a complete set of genetic instructions. These new cells aren't instantly finished. They develop and specialize, gradually becoming equipped to perform their specific role within the tissue. Once mature, the replacement cells integrate with their neighbors, reconnecting with the surrounding tissue and restoring its normal organization. Blood vessels continuously deliver oxygen and nutrients that cells need to survive, grow, repair themselves, and perform their everyday functions. Inside the cells, mitochondria help convert nutrients into usable energy, powering the microscopic activities that keep your tissues alive. Now fully functional, the replacement cell joins millions of others, carrying out its specialized job and contributing to healthy tissue. From the outside, you may notice nothing happening, but underneath, your body has quietly restored the tissue with functioning new cells. And this isn't a one-time event. Different cells throughout your body are aging, disappearing, dividing, and renewing continuously. From microscopic cells to entire organs, this constant renewal helps your body maintain its structure and keep functioning every day. Your body is a living renewal system, constantly replacing old cells with new ones. If you want to discover more amazing secrets happening inside your body, subscribe now and join us for the next anatomy breakdown.